सगळे पळयल्या उपरांत तशे खरें म्हणजे लोकांक प्रॉब्लेम जाता बंद करपाक जाय आमकां कारण 85% ऑफ द ऑक्युपन्सी जे MS म्हाका सांगता ते 85% ऑक्युपन्सी असल्या कारणान बऱ्याचशा लोकांक कॅटर करप कारण सावथ गोव्यातले सगळे आमच्या कडेन जायत्यो फॅसिलिटीज हांगासर आसा फॅसिलिटीजच्या बाबतींत आमी कमी ना इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आमकां कमी पडटा सावथ गोव्यातल्या सगळ्या आमदारांनी रिक्वेस्ट केला त्या प्रमाणे आमकां शिफ्ट करपाचें टार्गेट जे आसा आमी म्हणटा की नोव्हेंबर पर्यंत हांव हेल्थ मिनिस्टरा कडेन सकाळीं उलयला येतना हेल्थ मिनिस्टर सांगलें की हांव वतलो म्हणून मुद्दम ताणें म्हटलां की टार्गेट नोव्हेंबर दवरला हेल्थ मिनिस्टरांनी दवरला इज ऑल्सो कंटिन्युअसली तो फाटल्यान आसा आमचो डायरेक्टर दिसा आसा तेय बी विशय हो फॉलोअप करीत आसा नोव्हेंबर पर्यंत हांव म्हणटा नोव्हेंबर पर्यंत टार्गेट आमचो की हांगासल्यान आमी थंय शिफ्ट करप खातीर पुराय वांगडा शिफ्ट करचें फक्त डायग्नोस्टीक काही सेंटर्स आमचे थोडे ते हांगा उरूं शकता उरली जाल्यार एखाद्या वेळी म्हणजे कशें सिटी स्कॅन आमचो हांगासर आसा थंय जर येयलो ना जाल्यार ते डायग्नोस्टीक सेंटर्स हांगा उरूं शकता बट पेशंट आमी एडमीट हांगा कोणाक दवरूंक शकता ना डायग्नोस्टीक टूल्स जे आसा म्हणजे कदाचित एक्सरे आसतलो किंवा सिटी स्कॅन थोडो ते उरलो हें जावं शकता कदाचित दॅट वी वील टेक द डिसिजन.
We have visited some wards also. There are some practical problems. He has told Dr. Disa to sort it out. There is a limited scope here. There is a limited scope because of space. Now, for example, this building is in dilapidated condition, but they are not able to construct because matter is in Supreme Court. And also, he has said that he would like to discuss it with the Advocate General and all, and see how best the matter can be resolved. So these are some of the things, but at least he has paid a visit and actually by his own eyes he has seen. So he says that the priority should be, I had also heard that the priority should be, I am also following it as the chairman of Public Undertaking Committee, because there also they have said that by October they will try to give possession to the Director of Health Services. The Director of Health Services said he requires 1 month as he has told today. So at least by November we should think of shifting.